Yes, I am dressed in some rather fancy looking cycle attire. And I've got an exercise bike. What the hell am I doing, you're wondering? Well, anyway, I'm here really for the gear. I want to just talk to you and just show you a little bit of something that I found a few months ago. I was searching for some cycling gear. I was doing a 200-mile bike ride, and I'm actually supporting a bit of an injury at the moment. My knees are still not quite right, and I did cycle ride a couple of weeks ago now, and I'm still in quite a lot of pain, which is why I'm not outside testing this gear. It's why I'm stuck inside, and I'm just going to sit on my exercise bike and just show you what this stuff is all about. So yeah, I went searching for some cycling gear. I come across a company called RSSC Sports. And the reason I come across this company and the reason it caught my eye was because of the amount of gear they had on their website. I clicked on the link to have a look at it, and this array of photographs came up, all these different colours, designs, shapes, and just everything you wanted for a cycling mission. I had a 4-day mission. I was doing 200-mile bike ride. So I reached out to RSSC and said to them, would you be interested in sending me some outfits, maybe to show on video, to show and to actually do my bike ride? And they were more than happy to send me some gear to do this bike ride. The problem was, it took that long to get to me because we talked about it for that long. When they decided to post the stuff out, it missed the arrival date by 1 day. It turned up the day after I left to do my cycle ride. So I did a 200-mile cycle ride from North Wales to South Wales to raise money for Big Moose, and it was an amazing event, but I didn't have the gear to take with me and to show you. So I'm going to have to show you now, and I'm going to go out and ride. Once I get my legs back and working properly, I can go out and actually ride and test this stuff properly, because there is some really good padding in the bottom, and I want to go and see how it's like to ride. But anyway, this is the gear. This is the basic kit. This is a short sleeve bib kit underneath here, and you're going to see naked flesh now, so if you don't want to see it, look away. But underneath here, it's a bib outfit. Okay, so this outfit is zipped up. It comes in a bib. I've never used a bib before, but I understand that wearing a bib is a lot more comfortable because it keeps the shorts, you know, up and keeps them comfortable and keeps them tight. So that's the idea. Let's zip that up. You know, we don't want to be putting you off your breakfast, do we? So yeah, this is a size large. Given a large because I said I've got a 42-inch chest and about a 34, 36-inch waist. I don't quite know what it is, but there is a bit of a belly here. I do suffer with this large man syndrome here, and I'm trying to get it down. That's why I go out ride my bike. But yeah, they sent us a large. It fits really nice. The top fits fantastically. You can see it stretches. It's got this lovely weave stretch panel in the sides, and all the tops that they've sent me are all the same. They're all very similar, and on the back we have 3 pockets in the back, and it's really long. They go down over your cheeks or your bum, so it's obviously not going to ride up when you're cycling. And they've got this little bit of rubber as well around the back, which keeps them attached to the bottom and stops that wind going up your back. Also, you've got your 3 pockets, like I say, to keep your gel in if you want to keep your gel in your pocket. And I've got another pocket on this side if I want to get my phone in it, and my phone's in that side. And there's also a small piece of reflectors on the bottom, just so that if you're out at night or cars are coming, it's going to catch the light. This is a full hidden zip. It's quite nice. It's got a beautiful design. Now, I picked these designs because I wanted something that was a little bit tame for doing the bike ride, but also had a little bit of sort of spirit and a little bit of me about it. Now, what company is RSSC Sport? They are from Hong Kong. They are cycling enthusiasts, and they've been going from 2022. The guys are enthusiastic cyclists, and they wanted to bring out a fun, affordable kit that works. Now, yeah, everyone can go and buy these sort of kits from everywhere. I've got all sorts of cycling kits that I use and I've been using. I bought them from Halfords and JJG Sports and Sports Direct and all those sort of places where you see these cycling kits, and I've been picking up bits. But these feel really nice, and it feels so nice to touch. It does really feel nice, and I'm looking forward to getting out and actually riding with it and trying it out on the road. Now, the design is they wanted to find something unique. They wanted to make unique designs, which is why I said it caught my eye. Why when I was looking, this jumped out among all the others. There is so many different designs that they've got, and they also do a custom design. If you want a custom design, you can send them their images. As far as I know, you can send them their images, and they will make things to fit you. Now, they don't only just do these. They do the top and the bottoms separately. You can buy them separately. If you just want the jersey, you can buy the jersey. The jersey is 100% polyester. The shorts are, I think, polyester and 20% spandex, I think they are, and they are stretchy. In the bottom, they have this nice Again, rubber, sticky sort of seal, so they sort of seal around your legs to stop them from riding up. And I am understanding that from doing my 200-mile bike ride, you're supposed to use these shorts completely commando. Something I did not know before I started getting into my cycle training, and I was asking people for advice and stuff like that. Now the idea is you ride them commando because the stitching, and on these the stitching is fantastic, it's all nice and soft, and it's all sort of well made so that it doesn't give you any of that chafing and chaffing. That's the idea. Now I know this sounds a bit raw and rough, but that's what these things are designed to do. These are designed to go on people that ride hundreds and hundreds of kilometers and miles. They're designed to fit, they're designed to feel good, and they've got this fantastic padding in the bottom. Now I'm going to have to pick up a few bits of paper to try and remind me what I've got to tell you and what I've got to show you and give you some idea on prices. But before I do that, one other thing first. I need to change into something else. Of course I do. Of course I do. I need to try these different outfits on and show you the different fancy colours that I decided to pick. This is really, really nice. I love this design. It's got the red. It runs right down the legs as well. Look at this. It runs all the way down the legs. You get this nice matching red pattern. You get the same seals in the bottom. This one seems to fit a little bit snugger than the other one, maybe because I've not had it on quite as many times as the other one, sort of trying them on and pulling them on and off. Again, same with the pockets. You've got three pockets in the back. The 3 pockets sit down there, comes down over your bum. Nice design, same sort of stretchy panels in the side. But again, it's a nice bright colour, red and blues. Really, really quite a pretty outfit. So anyway, let me get my bits of paper and let me have a quick look and see what I've got here to tell you. So they designed these things on build quality. They wanted to get this stuff really, really good. So they're trying to build up this bit of community as well. They want you to contact them. They want to work with cyclists, with other people. They don't only just make men's gear, they make women's gear as well. The women's gear have all the same fancy colours and stuff like that. But the beauty with this is they do long legs as well. Not only do they do the shorts, the bibs, and again this is another bib design. Exactly the same. The women, they do the shorts, but they also do long legs. So they do the long leg outfits. I think RSSC are going to send me some long stuff to wear through the winter, because obviously you want to keep your arms covered up and your legs covered up. It's going to be really cold outside and stuff like that. Now, what I tend to do is I wear something that goes with these, and I'm just trying to remember as I'm looking around what I've actually done with it, but bear with me 1 second. So this is what I was looking for. They were in the other room. So yeah, I wear these arm sleeves, and I wore these on my 200-mile bike ride as well. And the reason I wore these is because I had some short sleeve tops that I wanted to wear, which is why I've got the short sleeves tops, because a few months ago the weather was fine. But the idea behind these sleeves, and RSSC do these sleeves themselves. These are not their brand. These are the brand I bought from Amazon. But yeah, they go underneath your arms, and they are designed to keep your arms a little bit warmer if the weather's cold, but also to stop that UV, to stop the sun baking and scalding your arms, because when your arms are out on the front of your bike all the time, the sun is going to catch them, and if you're like me, you will get burnt. So RSSC do these. They make these to match the gear as well, which is absolutely fantastic. You can have these in your own brand of, like I say, you can have them custom made, but you can also have them in your own brand of country. So if you want the country symbols on them, you can have them, but they do match your gear that you're wearing as well. Now these are grey and white. Obviously, like I say, I bought these, but they're not bad. They do actually sort of look okay with these. And they also do the leg ones as well, so you can actually cover your legs up. So you can wear shorts and you can actually cover your legs up as well. And while I'm here, I'm just going to mention these. I've got my Otter socks on. I've decided that riding the bike is really a good idea to have some waterproof socks. So Otter socks, fantastic. I've also got these that I wear. These are 360 dry waterproof socks. Highly recommend. I'll put a link down. Both pairs, fantastic. So yeah, these arm protectors are really, really good, and I found them absolutely amazing on that bike ride. So yeah, I would say if you're going to buy the outfit and you want the short outfit, then buy the short outfit, buy the sleeves, and then you get the best of both worlds. And then if you're going to be riding in the winter, go for the long outfit with the long sleeve jerseys. Absolutely fantastic. And like I say, well, I will be doing a video, hopefully be doing some bike riding out in the winter, a little bit of cold off-road stuff, and maybe with some long stuff to show you as well. And I'm going to go for some nice bright wacky colours. They've got Halloween colours at the moment, amazing purples and blues and greens. They got other things as well, which is they're just amazing. The colours are fantastic. They really have caught my eye and caught my attention. But anyway, before I go on to my next bit of paper, I've got one other thing to do, and that is to get changed again. Yep, I wanted to change my outfit again and just show you the third outfit they sent me. This is a lovely blue. It's again, I went for the bike designs. I wanted something with the bikes on to make them look nice and to have these nice design of the bikes to just to show really. This was my idea of cycling on the event, and have different outfits with different colours, just to show a little bit of my sort of my personality. But like I say, I am going to get some really wacky colours to go, you know, to move forward with this gear, because if I'm going to have gear, sometimes I get a little bit mad and I want something a bit crazy to show that. I want to be able to cycle and show people my personality. And this is the other thing behind this company. This company designed this gear to show off each individual's personality. If you want to dress down and look just sort of quite normal but have a little bit of colour, this is the sort of fine way of doing it. If you want to go crazy, if you're really eccentric and you like all those wacky mad colours, then they do the designs and the colours to do that. If on the other hand, you're a very professional cyclist, you like to cycle and you're a club cyclist, and again, I'm sure they could design these, they do the design, they do the personal designs, don't they? Custom designs, you can have a custom design for your club, which is really, really good. But if you are a club rider, if you're a sports rider, if you're a team rider, they do the team stuff as well that look like team stuff and look very dressed down. They also do like the granddad style stuff, the beer drinking style stuff. They've got it all, they really have. Got a few notes on the back here, just to give them an idea of pricing and stuff. Now, they do kids sets as well. That's not only they do the adult stuff, I didn't realise they did the kidults, but they do the adult stuff as well as the kids stuff, and the women's and men's. They do everything, they really do. The women's stuff is all more a shapely design. Obviously for women, they've got a slightly different shape to us men, because we tend to have a bigger belly, slightly sort of rounder shaped chest, rather than the narrower hips and the more fuller chest. You know what I'm saying. So yeah, the kids' outfits are around £41, which I didn't think was bad for a little top and bottom set. The long sets are around 63. Now they do offers, there are special offers on. There is also an offer code. If you use the code PAUL15, you'll get 15% off your order, which is absolutely amazing. Thank you RSSC for that. That was really, really good. The long tops on their own are 36. The long bottoms on their own are about 36. So if you buy the top and the bottom as a set at 63, you're getting a bit of a discount. But like I say, some of the other kits are slightly different prices. I think there was a kit on there for 54 or something like that. So there are a few sale prices on there as well. Now they also make wheel covers, but I'll come back to that in a moment. The short sleeve set that I'm wearing now is £47. If you wanted the jersey on its own, it is 28, and the bib, which is 28 as well. So again, it's slightly cheaper if you're going to buy it as a kit form. You're getting it for 47 instead of 56. Not bad at all, really. Now they do other things as well. They do hoodies. Not quite as elaborate and fancy colours. I would have liked to have seen the fancy colours to go with them as well, so you can match in your, you know, you can take your hoodie off, and underneath you've got your bike gear. That would have been really, really cool. But they do hoodies. They're around £32. Sweatshirts as well. They do the beanie hats. Again, I'd love to see the beanie hats to match the tops. That's I like these really bright coloured things, so I'd love to see a nice brightly coloured hat to go with my brightly coloured top. But they do lots of different coloured beanies. The glasses, sports glasses. Now I wear glasses, as you can tell, so I don't tend to wear the sports glasses, but they do them. They also do the shoes as well, cycling shoes, which is absolutely fantastic. So they've got loads of accessories. They got the face covers. If you want the buffs and nice face colours, again, nicely pretty coloured ones. Arm sleeves, leg sleeves, which I've talked about, these sort of things, which, again, really, really fantastic. You can get them to match your outfits as well. And they also do socks. So I've just mentioned I've got the Otter socks on, but they actually do their own array of socks for around £8 as well. So yeah, pretty good. They've got a nice, good selection. Now, I am, like I say, I'm about 42-inch chest, 34-ish waist. Depending on how much food I've been eating at a time, you can tell that it's in, but I can hold it in as well. And I'm about 5'8". So this is the outfit I'm wearing. This is a large, and they do so many different sizes. I cannot believe the amount of sizes and range they do, from 3 extra larges down to smalls, for kiddies, little sizes, for the women's sizes, all the different sizes and everything like that. As I mentioned before, the bib is 100% polyester, nice and stretchy. You can see there again, I've got these nice stretchy side panels in the side there, and this thing does stretch. I'm quite broad on the back, and you can see this thing stretches with me lovely. And if you're cycling, obviously you're cycling forwards, and if you're tucked down, it's designed to keep in and keep everything tight and taut. That's the whole design. And if you get on the bike, this is all designed to wear and to be able to be used, and you can actually use this stuff. It doesn't ride up your legs because it's got these stretchy panels in it. And the idea is, so much so, it's designed for you. You know, if you do bend down, if you are sort of person that rides down, then it's going to keep your bum covered up because it's got this nice long back panel that really has been designed and worked out by people who know what they're talking about, to be honest. There was one other reason that this company caught my eye. Not only did they have this massive array of colours and shapes and designs to fit everybody, it was the colours more than anything that caught my eye. But there was one thing, because I knew on this this big charity event that we were doing, and the charity event was designed, like I say, it was for Big Moose, and kinging it with people that organised it and got it ready and sort of talked about it. And these guys are wacky and crazy, and they decided that on the Saturday we were going to have a bit of a different day. And I'll tell you what that day was in just a moment. And of course, this was the reason why you're laughing now, aren't you? Stop laughing. This was the reason that I went with these company and really bigly, they wanted to do fancy dress, and I didn't want to wear fancy dress. This is brilliant. Not only do they do all those fantastic designs and colours, they do gimmicky, quirky outfits. And it looks great in a pair, doesn't it? Look at this. We've got matching cow outfits with tails. Okay, these things are fantastic. They really are. Yeah, I was so excited to get this. Oh, well, I was so excited to be wearing this. Like I say, unfortunately, it didn't turn up in time. So we've now got a pair of cow outfits that we've got to go cycling with. So if you see two cows cycling through the countryside, please stop us and say hello, because it's definitely us. Now, this is actually the man's outfit. They were going to send me a long sleeve and a short sleeve. By mistake, they sent me two short sleeve ones, but it's not a problem because Marta can wear it. It does fit her, even though it's slightly baggier around the sides there, and that is because she's a lady. This is not the lady design, so the lady design would obviously be a bit tighter around the sides, but of course it does fit her, yeah. But it's nice and tight and snug on me, and you can see it's, again, like the other ones, it stretches. Again, we've got a nice little tail, the 3 pockets in the back if you need to get your stuff, the long bottom cover, and yeah, this is a bib version again, you know, so they are bibs. The idea is, like I say, it's to keep everything sort of pulled up and snug and in, and stops the trousers and the shorts from sort of riding down, and it should be right. I'm not going to show you this. You're not showing me this? I'm sure they'd love to see yours, but yours is not a bib anyway, is it? But yeah, no, it's really, really, I love this. So yeah, thank you very much for the guys to send me this. RSSC Sports, they are from Hong Kong. They've been going from 2022, so they're quite a new company, quite an up-to-date company. I think the design's great. I love the outfits, and I want to show you more. So hopefully they're going to be sending me some nice long ones to go out and ride the bike in the winter. And if I do, we'll be getting some ladies' outfits as well, hopefully, so we can actually just show you how they fit, what they wear like.
Oh, what's your favourite feature?
My favourite feature is just the colours.
I think so.
Just the colours, just the amount of designs that they've got.
It was.
I mean, I've got some stuff on my phone. I showed you, didn't I? And I was like, I like this one, I like this one. I kept sending her all these designs on my phone, and so we were WhatsApping. But I was looking for the designs, and I was like, I like this one. What do you think of this? I like this. And she's, yeah, I like that. I like that. And then it got to the stage where I'd sent about 30 different designs, and I liked them all, and I couldn't pick. And in the end, I went for the I downscaled from the bright colours to have something a little bit more, I don't know, bikey looking. Yeah. But yeah, we definitely like the cow outfits. This was going to be my selling part for the day. I was going to go out on fancy dress, and I was going to be dressed as a cow, but they didn't turn up on time, which was a bit of a shame.
For me, the best feature is the same. The fact that you can just go in and whatever you feel like it. If you feel, a little bit crazy, and if you're in a crazy mood, you're just going to go in with a cow outfit, isn't it?
Yeah, no, totally.
You just want to,
tone it
down. You're just gonna pick one of the
professional looks. Just looking at the difference between having, a black tamed down sort of outfit. You can go for something a little bit more neutral, a little bit tamed down. You're not going to stand out too much in the crowd, but you still got something that looks pretty and has got a bit of a design behind it. To something like this, which is nice and bright and red. You are going to stand out in amongst a group of cyclists if you've got a bright red on. So that's the difference. And they're a fantastic design, and I'm grateful for them sending them to me. So hopefully we'll show you a few more soon. Ciao for now. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Use the code PAUL15 if you want 15% off, and I will put the links in the description and on the top comment for you, so you can find the website, and just go and have a look and let them know what you think as well, because they want to know your information. They are there to learn from cyclists, to learn from people that are riding the bikes. Me, I'm a bit of a part-time rider. I just do a bit of down the road, down the lane, through some woods and stuff like that. But if you are a serious cyclist, you want to know this stuff's going to work, let them know. They're interested. Bye. Ciao for now. See you soon.
See ya.